Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use Trade Republic in Germany to start investing in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, download the Trade Republic app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and hit sign up and enter your details like your name, email, and German phone number. You'll need to be a tax resident in Germany and you have to have a SEPA bank account. Verify your ID with a quick video call and you're set. Next, fund your account. Go to the Cash tab, link your bank account, and transfer money via SEPA. It's free and takes 1 to 2 days. Trade Republic also offers a 2.75% interest on uninvested cash, which is a nice bonus. Now, let's invest. Tap the search icon, pick stock, ETFs, or crypto. There's over 7,000 options. For example, type Apple or MSCI World ETF. Set your amount starting at just €1 and hit buy. Each trade costs a flat €1 fee, and you can also set up a savings plan for automatic investing. Taxes? Trade Republic handles German capital gains for you and lets you set a tax-free allowance. €1,000 if single and €2,000 if married. Plus, check real-time prices and set price alerts in the app to stay on top of your investments. That's it, guys. You're ready to grow your money with Trade Republic. Download the app, start small, and happy investing. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.